86-56. What a game between Centennial and Upland this past weekend. I'm Garrett Johnson. Thanks for joining me here on the LA Max Wire. And oh boy, what a historic performance from Centennial this past weekend. They set a national total yards record. And wow, they finished with an astonishing 943 total yards for the game. Senior running back Trey Watson contributed 519 of those on the ground for 6 touchdowns, including this 93-yarder. Watson had his way with the Upland defense all night. What a performance from the senior. He took in touchdown rushes from 29, 14, 93, 2, 4, and 57 yards on the night. Stellar performances like that don't come around every day. Quarterback Robert Weber also threw for 2 touchdowns and rushed in for 3 as well. An absolutely unbelievable performance from Corona Centennial. Upland's junior quarterback Tyler Helinski threw for 7 touchdowns in the losing effort. What a performance even with the loss, as Helinski kept Upland within 2 touchdowns at the half. An impressive accomplishment on its own right there. Such a great semifinal to take in. Much more coming at us this weekend as Corona Centennial will take on Vista Murrieta in their division final. Well, we've got championship week coming at us here in the LA Metro. Remember, stay on our website, maxpreps.com/Los Angeles, for all the video updates you're going to need this week as we continue to preview games. Also, go to our Twitter at LA Max Preps. I'm Garrett Johnson. Thanks for joining me here on the LA Max Wire.